Hi, welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to automatically read an Excel file. The purpose of this video is that when you create a code and you share it to somebody else, the manual method of reading the file has a directory which will change. So you have to tell the new person that you have to read the file yourself because that directory will not work. So for that, there is a code that I'm going to show you today, which will help you to read the file by using the folder options or the Microsoft Explorer. Uh, so for that, first of all, you have to read the library, load the library that is read Excel. Okay, when it is loaded, then you have to tell that my data file will be equal to read Excel, and it will. You have to choose the file, and the data will be in the sheet 1. And I have to skip first 2 rows. So this thing you will know beforehand because you have the data file. This thing you will know automatically if there are more than one sheets. If you don't show it, then it will select the first one automatically. So I will be going to read the first one automatically because in my file there is only one sheet and I don't remember the name. So if I don't show the sheet name, what will happen is it will select the first one. So when I run this, it will show me to select the file. This is my data file. I will select it. So it will read the file. Okay, and skip first 2 rows and show me the variables here. So this way you can read the data set. So you can come here and see the data sets are shown. So this is the way. The advantage is that now you just have to do your coding and share this code file and the data file to your colleagues or your supervisor. Just supervisor have to do is run this code and select the data file wherever it is in his computer, and then this way the data will be loaded and the remaining codes will work just as it is. Thank you very much.